It's Ebonetynia and I'm back with another video, y'all. Do yours. Today I have me some chicken ramen, y'all. Got some boneless chuck beef roast or roast beef. Boneless chuck roast beef. And I got some boiled eggs, y'all. And I got some 2 times spicy for my eggs. Let me take a thumbnail right quick. Y'all see little ponytail in the back. What you laughing at? You want to say hey, boo? Come on. Heavy. Don't get to reaching now. Go eat with your dad. What you thought? Go eat. It's alright. Times spicy bag. My 2 times spicy bag in the bag, y'all. I'm scared. Man, stop putting your little nasty meat up here out your mouth. I done got hip to these 2 times spicy, y'all. Hey. We got Gatorade to drink. Woo. I'm looking all jacked up like I've been fighting. That be good. Stop, baby. Stop. Thank y'all for watching my video. What video did I do today? Oh, the Philly cheesesteak video. Want some more of these noodles? I can't even swap with you now. I gotta put the hot stuff on it. No. Bye, baby. You good? Go ahead and eat that piece. I swear this sauce good, y'all. It's hot, but it's good. I ain't got too much to say today. Just want to bring y'all a quick video. These are so good. They're fly. That be good. It's real seasoned. All I use is some salt, pepper, and onion powder. I think. Can you get your child while he keep climbing up on me? Mark. Can you get him? Can
That's it.
Go with your daddy, boo. Can you say that with the hat on him?
We eating here with you, okay?
What he finna eat?
I wish.
Yeah. I told y'all we eat anything with noodles. This is the day when you don't feel like cooking. Because all I did was slice this little roast up. And I put it in a skillet. It's a thick, it was about this thick. And I sliced it into thinner pieces. I'm ready to cook for a minute, y'all. And we got us some sliced up roast. So tender. It looked like it was real hard to chew, but it's tender, y'all. I'm so tired of flies. They be waiting at the door ready to get in. I don't want this to drip on me. I think I want to use this meat, the rest of the meat in some tacos. That'll really be good. I gotta buy some more pickles for my tacos. And I've been getting my kid pickles for snacks. Excuse me. They be running around the house sucking on pickles. See, if that egg challenge I did was not timed, I could have did that. Because I can handle that sauce a little bit at a time. You finna rain again? I've been raining really hard in Georgia, y'all. We're in South Georgia. Not really hard. And the thing is, it's only raining at nighttime. Like, it be tanning up overnight. I say for the past about 5 days. Ooh, I ate that, honey. Look at that fly. Now, I ain't seen no fly all day. I think they be waiting on me to sit in their chair and do a video. Oh, that's so good. Excuse me. Amen, amen. But that's all I got for y'all today. Whew, whew. Baby, Auntie finna go lay down now. I ain't gonna lay down. I'm finna give my children a bath, clean up the kitchen, and then Auntie gonna lay down, okay? If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing before you leave. If you are returning, thank you so much for rocking with me. Y'all leave me a like on this video, comment, share this video, whatever. Excuse me, y'all. And until the next video, bye, y'all.